by is Kopetsky to take his man out. It's rolled past Sopel, but plenty of help from Hossa. Hjalmarsson again with it for the Blackhawks. Into the glove of Sharp, who's able to carry back and spirit it along to the corner. Taken there by Powell. Another change for Chicago. Laid around for Timonen. Helped on out to Gagne. Chipped on back as far as Nick Boynton. Circle to circle across to Campbell again. Lays it on free to Kane. Patrick Kane moves to the outside, spins. He's got Campbell in front, and he tried to jab it there, but it went wide. And around it's flicked by Ladd, and then went off of Coburn. On back to be taken by Campbell. Here's Campbell handing on to Kane again. Lots of head fakes there, trying to shake Timonen. Threw it in front. Oh my, it rattled around, and it kicked on back, and it scored! We saw no light. We saw Stanley Cup does